How to change dark blade color in Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change the color of your dark blade in Blox Fruits. So if you have acquired a dark blade along with the Slayer skin, you can switch between the default dark blade and the Slayer skin dark blade. To do this, simply talk to the NPC named Rip Andra, who can be found on the pillars at the top of the cave in the graveyard. When you speak to the Rip Andra, he will either allow you to change the skin of your dark blade or inform you that you need to unlock the Slayer skin first. To unlock the Slayer skin, follow the simple steps outlined in the wiki. That is, once you have acquired it, speak to the Rip Andra with the dark blade equipped and the Slayer skin unlocked, then he will prompt you to choose whether to enable the aura or disable it, reverting to the normal dark blade appearance. You can repeat this process as many times as you like as long as you have the Slayer skin unlocked. To change the color of your dark blade in Blox Fruits, simply locate the Rip Andra on the second scene, talk to him at the top of the pillar in the graveyard, and you can now modify the appearance whenever you wish. So I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.